And joining us now is the mayor of Cranford, New Jersey, Kathleen Miller-Prunty. Cranford is less than an hour away from New York City. Mayor, thanks again for taking some time with us. We hope everyone there is staying safe. What are things like in your town? What does the response look like this hour?
So just a short time ago, our emergency management coordinator told me we had a little more than 14 inches and we can probably expect another 2. I can tell you the wind is still howling outside of my window. And so our story is very similar to everyone else's, and our request is the same as everyone else's. Please stay off the road. Not just obviously for plowing purposes, but stranded and disabled vehicles on the roadways can be dangerous. Our public works people tell me that during the night, at times they had less than 10 feet of visibility. So that is dangerous. So we really need people to just stay home, leave their cars where they are until things are much more safe.
Very important warnings there and reminders. What's the state of power outages in your town? And if residents do lose power and their heat, what can they do?
So we have been fortunate so far. No one has lost power. However, several trees have come down. We've had wires come down, and we encourage people to call our utility, electric utility, which is PSE&G, and don't assume someone else called. Make the phone call if you lose power.
Okay, and of course, Cranford's home to many New York City commuters, and we know because of the state of emergency for all of New Jersey's 21 counties, the trains were stopped for now. Do you have any understanding of when they might be up and running? Will people be able to get to work tomorrow if they're staying home, hunkering down today?
So we're waiting to hear back from New Jersey Transit. I can tell you that we have our own emergency management meeting at 2 o'clock this afternoon, where we will learn more about the decision concerning our public schools. And hopefully we get some information from New Jersey Transit that we can pass along to our residents.
Well, Cranford Mayor,
the other situation is, the parking, our public works take care of the roads, but also all of the municipal lots. So if people can't get into the lots, it's very difficult to take the train.
Yeah, that's another good point. And you point out why even after the storm passes, it's going to be some time for people to recover in those communities. Cranford Mayor Kathleen Miller-Prunty, thanks for taking the time with us. We wish you warmth and safety and all of the residents who live in Cranford.